Kamiti ya bunge ya Kithomo kuma kiri mbunge NENE nikinyitenteresha CHUKA nikienda kuthuja utumiri wa MBECA kiri University ya Ntere inune kumania na BAJETI ya mwaka wa 2023 kuthi mwaka wa 2024. Kamiti ino ni shokete kinya MERU kuthuja university na moronto uyu kuna kethirwa MBECA cia thirikari na igutumirwa wega. Samuel Gaishima atumenyithie.
Wakibwa miako ithanthatu ya ngoroba ya University ya CHUKA ibukinyite bantu akurugama na ugu inyuma ya thirikari nene kurega kurekeria mbia cha wakibobo kureo kire university nu ugu ikuringana na kamiti ya Kithomo ya bunge ya Kinthiguru itongeretwe imukaririgite Julius Kibiwot kagita ka Ndiunga ya gondeni ya university no ya kwibonera uthi na mbere bwa miako ino.
Found out that this is one of the very few universities that has no pending bills, especially in statutory deductions. They are paying their KRA and all those on time. However, we realize that many of their projects are now almost at the stalled level because of the government failure to remit money to complete the science park, the administration block, and even the food science, and even the male hostel.
Paina mirandi ya tandatu ire tuyurite. Nere kiuyura university igethari mo ya ira top world class university nonto ibaita nitikinya na mibango ira tuita jambeta kana bottom up economic transformation model na agenda ya THIRIKARI ya Kenya kwanza.
Kuringana na Kibiwot, ripoti irabaithiranitie imunthi bakaminenkanira ndeni ya bunge kenda iraithirua na thirikari nene yegwa mataro burababatiri kurutha mantu ma miako ino.
Nikenda tumba kuberekeria urabombote the university nikenda yomba kuthiria programs ira cianjiritwe ni university na ina kiroto kinene kya kuona Kenya na ritoba kuthomera na community yonde ni utethuka.
It needs very little money to bring them to usable level. Noting one, a very good project that is the science park, which is of its kind. It is actually a project that is going to promote the better program, that is the bottom-up economic transformation, where innovators will actually come and develop their innovations here and be able to commercialize them. People of Mount Kenya East and even the central region will be able to come here and make sure that their projects are brought to commercialization level.
Kamiti ino nkurukine raithirite mubango wa imbia wa thirikari wa Ureiba bichi thirikari igitethanagiria na aritwa kuringana na ubatu bwa muritwa urabakuga bakaendekithia ugaruku bukai kenda guchuagirithia nkuruki.
The university vice chancellor and the management noted that it is a very good model. But there are issues that he just brought it very clear. That one, parents and students need to be notified early of their various categorization before they report. And the admission letter to the student need to be given early so that the parent could be able to know his part before the student reports to school.
Kenda tuthiria thineu aritwa bakietwa na baripoti babati kwitha bakiminya nimbi muntu akarita nimbi muntu ai nigenda gutithwa kwenda confusion bakira baite university bakawa MBECA baikuo na muciari ati kumenya kiwango giri kwa karita kana mwane tha kimenya nimbi abati kurita.
We want to be put to accountability. To us that was a very good visit. We have demonstrated to them that we are taking charge and we have courage. We have stabilized the university and the university is stable. And once they support us on these projects, the university is moving to another good level. So I say, Chairman, thank you to your committee and thank you to the President for also supporting CHUKA University.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya CHUKA Igamba Ng'ombe mbitagwa Samuel Gaishima.